It is our segment here on Wake Up Central where we continue to answer your questions big and small. Now our question this morning comes from Morrilton. Does Arkansas have an inheritance tax? Well, that's a great question. The last thing anyone wants to worry about when a parent or relative passes away is money, but unfortunately it is often necessary. If you inherit money or belongings, you will be forced to pay an inheritance tax in some states. That, however, is not the case here in Arkansas. Arkansas has no inheritance tax. However, inheritance laws in other states may apply to you if you inherit money or assets from someone who lives in a state that does have an inheritance tax. Arkansas also has no gift tax. The federal gift tax exclusion is $17,000 in 2023. Now, if you give more than that amount to any one person, you must report it to the IRS. If you receive an inheritance from someone living out of the state of Arkansas, make sure to check the local laws in your grantor's state to see if you do owe an inheritance tax. Now, unfortunately, not what you want to be thinking of course, if you lose a parent, you lose a loved one, but it's something that you have to think of and you have to be ready for in that situation.
And
too.
Better now, anyway.
And now you know, too, especially here in the state of Arkansas, again, there is not one, but if you are inheriting someone from someone that lives in another state, you need to know that state's laws and be sure to kind of have a heads up so you don't get down the road.
That is not something that you need to know to find out, because who's going to think of that
and especially
at a time
too,
like that?
Well, and that's the thing, too, is to know ahead, to have a little bit of a game plan. If you know, unfortunately, that event may be coming, the better off that you'll be.
But who knew that the state from which the gift comes? Yeah. Well, thanks for clearing that up, and good question from Morrilton, right?
Bet.
Yeah.